that was amazing. I had the best time ever. If you're ever in Bali, come to Bali Swing. Try out all the swings. These guys are amazing, okay?
Thank you.
All right, y'all, so this is my first morning in my new villa. So far it's cool. When I first got in last night, I was terrified because everything is outside. And I mean, I knew that prior to booking, but like when you actually hear and you see it, I was like scared. I was so scared. I'm gonna rub my makeup in some more. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the villa, but I'm about to go because I'm kind of late. My driver's already here. I'm about to leave. I'm going to do the Bali Swing today, the Monkey Forest, and a few other things. So y'all come along with me. I'm wearing my pink outfit today. Alright, so now I'm on the porch of my villa. There's a pool downstairs. And I'm gonna take y'all with me downstairs. Y'all come on. So this is downstairs to the pool. I'll be able to enjoy it a little later. I didn't really get to enjoy it yet. Because I was hearing like a whole bunch of noises over here, y'all, last night. I was so scared. I was so scared. Yeah, I'm about to head on out because I'm late for my flowers that I got for my other. I love flowers, y'all. I love them, especially the pink roses. So pretty. And it is now 8 a.m. We're getting a head start on our day. But yeah, this is my villa. There's a kitchen over here. There's no microwave though. I was a little upset about that because I had some food that I had yesterday that I didn't get to finish. And I wanted to eat it last night, but I couldn't eat it. There's a lock. That's how you leave. And oh, I love something. I gotta go back and get something. All right, let's go. It's a jungle. This is my villa. Here's my driver. Good morning. Hey.
You want breakfast?
Yeah, I'll do breakfast.
Nobody like you do,
Hey y'all, I am at the Mango Ubu Villa. I just want to show you what my room looks like. So this is downstairs. This is my pool area. As you can see, very relaxing, very chill. This is a one-bedroom villa. This is the living room, spacious area over here. Nice for just chilling, watching TV. This is my kitchen. Doesn't have a microwave, but I still love it. Follow me upstairs. Let me show you what it looks like upstairs.
Look at it, mama, man. Look at it.
This is upstairs. This is my room. I can't remember my code to get in, so I'm not gonna go in right now, but I'll show y'all later. This is the outside view. You can see like over the pool. You can't really see nobody else's villa, so it's still private, which I love. And so this is how you enter my room. There's like a passcode you have to put in, but I cannot remember my passcode, so we gonna move along. This is like a little outdoor patio for my room, and yeah, so this is the view. This is Mango Ubu. If you're ever in Bali, make sure you please stay at Mango Ubu. Okay, so I made it inside my room. I just want to show y'all what it looks like. You can come on in. This is my bedroom, and they're gonna come clean in a second. This is the bathroom. Like the bathroom to me, which is a little sick. Follow me to the bathroom. So this the bathroom is very different from what you're used to. This is the sink area, and over here, this is the actual shower area. So the shower is outside.
Look at it.
So when I first got here last night, it was really dark and I was really scared. But now that it's daytime, like it's really not that bad showering in the daytime, but at night, wouldn't recommend. I heard lots of noises and I was scared, so. But it's actually really nice, really peaceful. I love it here.
Look at it, mama.
We are going to the Bali swing. We're going to the monkey forest. We're doing a whole bunch of things today, and I'm so excited. So I will catch y'all when we get there. Well, let's go.
To slay this swing.
Yes.
That's what we came here to do. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. First of all, let me just say, when I got here, everything was so beautiful. The weather was perfect. The views were beautiful. Like, I was just so excited. So this is not a dress that I purchased myself. When you get to the Bali swing, they actually have them there for you to rent. So that's what I did. So this is definitely me in my element. I remember during this photo shoot, I just felt so good. Like, I felt so amazing. That's when I kind of was taking everything in. Like, wow, I'm really traveling in another country by myself. I was literally having so much fun, and I was so happy with how my pictures turned out.
I worry that I wasted the best.
Look back! Look back!
One big takeaway from my solo traveling experience would be to just live in the moment. Enjoy everything that you see. Enjoy everything that you feel. Enjoy everything that you are experiencing, because tomorrow is not promised and life is so short. So in this video, I'm just soaking up the experience and enjoying life itself. That was amazing. I had the best time ever. If you're ever in Bali, come to Bali Swing. Try out all the swings. These guys are amazing, okay?
Thank you!
Alright, so now we're on the way to the monkey forest. We're going to go see some monkeys. I'm going to go see my siblings at the monkey forest. Okay, so fun fact, I just learned that the monkeys in the Uluwatu temple are the ones that are aggressive. Like, they'll steal your things and things like that. But the ones that we're going to see now are not so aggressive. They're really nice. So I'm excited. So if you're going to Bali, don't go to the Uluwatu unless you want some things stolen from you. Because some monkeys will steal your phone, your glasses, your bag, everything you got. But the ones we're going to see now are not that way. Oh, look at the little baby.
That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't to my body so crazy.
I think I've seen everything I needed to see at the monkey forest. Wrapping things up. It's pretty hot out here, but it's not Dubai hot. It's pretty cool to see the monkeys. Pretty cool. I really wish I could have held or had one, like touch one, but the monkeys get aggressive if you touch them or get too close. You have to stay away from them. So, inshallah next time. I'm kind of getting sleepy now. Ah, sun, yes. Yes, sun. I look like a glazed donut. My face so shiny.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
It's smooth. Very soft. Don't get one by one.
These are very big.
You get one by one.
These are some big
Ready?
ones.
Okay, come on. Give a food a little bit for the fish.
Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna do a little bit. It's like they know you got. It's like they know you got food. So look at their eyes. So weird looking.
I like the fish. Who is a good popular?
Alright, last little bit.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
So this is the spring water. It's water from the land and it's clean. Like you can drink this water. So cool. This is the water that pours out to the other side of the temple where you purify yourself. Super cool.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.
Hey, Marabito! Marabito!
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my
Girl.
that ain't my
The best. The best MC.
And by the way, my name's Melanie Champion, so it makes sense.
Period.
Welcome to Bengal, welcome back.
Go ahead, y'all. Go.
Together, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for stay with us and welcome back.
Yeah, there we go.
See you in the future.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for staying with us and see you.
Y'all want to do it again? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for staying with us. See you soon.
Bye.
Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
If I had you better, I wouldn't have did all that. I would've played it just